Are you struggling with weight loss? Have you tried every diet under the sun, but still can't seem to shift those stubborn pounds? Today, we're exploring the realm of science-backed weight loss strategies. We're not just talking quick fixes here. These are proven, sustainable methods for long-term results, a road to a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. So if you're ready to leave fad diets behind and embrace change, stick around. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more health and wellness content. First and foremost, a balanced diet is key to sustainable weight loss. It's the cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle, providing the nutrients your body needs to function at its best. A balanced diet not only fuels your body, but also keeps your metabolism running smoothly, aiding in weight loss. Eating a variety of foods from all food groups is essential. Whole grains, lean proteins, fruits and vegetables, and healthy fats all have their place. They each provide unique benefits, from energy and muscle building to immune support and heart health. Don't think of it as cutting out foods, but as adding in a rainbow of nutritious options. This approach prevents nutrient deficiencies and helps to control hunger, as the different nutrients work together to keep you feeling satisfied. Avoiding overly processed foods and opting for whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible can also aid in maintaining a healthy weight. Remember, it's not about deprivation, but about balance and moderation. Exercise is another crucial element in the weight loss equation. Regular physical activity brings countless benefits to the table. Not only does it burn calories, but it also boosts your metabolism, improves your mood, and promotes overall well-being. When it comes to weight loss, both cardio and strength training play vital roles. Cardio exercises like running or swimming are great for burning calories and improving heart health. On the other hand, strength training, such as weightlifting or bodyweight exercises, helps build muscle. And here's a fun fact: muscle burns more calories at rest than fat does. So the more muscle you have, the more calories you'll burn throughout the day, even when you're not exercising. But remember, the best exercise is the one you will do consistently. Whether it's dancing, cycling, hiking, or simply walking your dog, the key is to find an activity you enjoy and make it a part of your regular routine. Find an exercise routine you enjoy and stick with it. Don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Sweet dreams aren't just for lullabies, they're a cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle and, yes, weight loss. When we slip into slumber, our bodies go to work, repairing, rejuvenating, and rebalancing. But when we skimp on sleep, we throw this finely tuned system out of whack. Did you know that sleep deprivation can mess with your hunger hormones? Ghrelin, the hormone that signals hunger, surges when we're sleep deprived. Meanwhile, leptin, our fullness hormone, dips. The result? A ravenous appetite, often for high-calorie, high-fat foods. And it doesn't stop there. Lack of sleep can also slow your metabolism and make your body store more fat. So, make sure to prioritize sleep for optimal weight loss. Stress can be a major obstacle in your weight loss journey. When we're stressed, our bodies release a hormone called cortisol, which can lead to increased appetite and consequently, weight gain. But don't worry, there are ways to manage stress effectively. One method is through mindfulness and meditation. Even a few minutes of deep breathing or visualization exercises each day can help reduce stress levels. Physical activity is another great stress buster. A brisk walk, a dance class, or even a quick yoga session can do wonders for your mood and your waistline. Lastly, ensure you're taking time each day to do something you enjoy. It could be reading a book, gardening, or simply enjoying a cup of tea. Remember, managing your stress levels is just as important as diet and exercise. Hydration is another key factor in weight loss. It's like a secret weapon in your battle against the bulge. Staying hydrated helps keep your body functioning at its best and can even curb those pesky hunger pangs. Think of it this way. Sometimes your body might confuse thirst for hunger. So before reaching for a snack, try drinking a glass of water. You might just find that you were thirsty, not hungry. So don't forget to drink up. Are you following? Last but not least, here are some additional tips to keep in mind. As we journey further into the realm of weight loss, it's important to remember 4 crucial elements: patience, consistency, mindful eating, and regular checkups. Imagine your weight loss journey as a marathon, not a sprint. Patience is the key. The body's transformation doesn't happen overnight. It requires time, and sometimes it may seem as if progress is slow. But remember, every small step counts. It's about making long-term, sustainable changes to your lifestyle, not seeking quick, potentially unhealthy fixes. Next, consistency is the glue that holds everything together. It's the day-in, day-out commitment to eating healthy and exercising regularly. It's about making these habits a part of your daily routine, not just something you do when you feel like it. Consistency is what will help you maintain your weight loss over the long term. Now let's talk about mindful eating. This is not just about what you eat, but how you eat. It's about taking the time to savor your food, to chew slowly, and really taste each bite. It's about listening to your body, understanding when you're truly hungry, and when you're just bored or stressed. Mindful eating can help you enjoy your food more and prevent overeating. Lastly, regular checkups are crucial. It's important to monitor your progress and adjust your plan as necessary. Regular checkups with a healthcare professional can help ensure you're losing weight in a healthy way and can also catch any potential health issues early. They can provide you with personalized advice and support, which can be invaluable in your weight loss journey. And so, patience, consistency, mindful eating, and regular checkups are 4 additional pillars supporting your weight loss journey. They may not be as flashy as the latest diet trend, but they are fundamental to achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. With these tips in mind, you're well on your way to sustainable weight loss. So, these were our 9 science-backed tips for sustainable weight loss. From balancing your diet and exercising regularly to ensuring adequate sleep and managing stress. We've also highlighted the importance of staying hydrated, being patient, eating mindfully, and scheduling regular checkups. Each strategy is a building block to a healthier, happier you. Remember, weight loss is a journey, not a destination. So take one step at a time and celebrate every little victory. Thanks for watching.